wild and crazy things going on around here. I'm giving you this video is a status update on the old El Franco, the 1968 Camaro dragster, and pretty much what's going on with the car is everything still needs done. I mean, the only thing left to do is everything. I got the frame jig built. I got the frame jig leveled. I got the car on the frame jig. I got the car squared on the frame jig. I got it tacked into place, and I got everything. Well, I'm working on cutting everything out, so by the time this video comes out, you know, I should have the inside of the car all cut out for you guys. And it's pretty crazy when you think about it. If you were to look at how much of the car I've cut out and how much I have replaced, there's really not much left of the original car. But these things happen. It is what it is, and it will be made better. But anyway, I'm pretty excited because I mean, I had to rebuild damn near 70% of the car before I could even get it to the point where you could put it on the frame jig. And so basically what happens from here is the tube chassis can be built, and the motor can be set in. Tube chassis can be built. The sheet metal, first off, the sheet metal can be finished. I can finish all the sheet metal other than the roof. I can't put the roof on until I weld in the roll cage. But I can finish up all the sheet metal. I can get the sheet metal and primer and paint. Not full paint, but like basically the paint for the inside, like the POR 15 and epoxy primer. So basically there won't be any more rust on the body. That'll be pretty exciting. And then after the body, I can get the tube chassis started, and I can get the engine mounted in, mocked up. Once I got some of the frame rails done. And then, I mean, that's going to be pretty exciting because then I can mock up the turbos, I can mock up the front fenders, the doors. There's going to be so much more room for activities. So I'm pretty excited about it. I hope you guys are too. If not, whatever. While you're watching the videos, I mean, maybe just looking at my pretty face, I don't know. But anyway, let's go check it out. Let's see what's going on, and rock it out. Alright guys, I know it's been a while since I made a video. Got a sweet new fan, 42 inch, but let me step back. Here's a Camaro. The quarters are all cut out. The new quarters have been fitted and flanged. You can kind of see the flange on there. So the flange sits up behind here. They fit pretty nice. All that's cut out. Tailpan's cut out. The new doors are on. I got a hold of some quarter panels. Got some patch pieces out of them to patch all this. I got inner pieces to patch the inner
all this inner area. I got a whole brand new patch for that. All this has been patched. All this is patched. Pretty much all this. Down in here, up in here. All that whole side's been patched. The new doors. These things are like 1/4 inch short. 1/4 to 1/2 inch. But the top section is fine. I'll fix the bottom section. Got everything cut out on the inside, so there's nothing on the inside other than the subframe. I'm gonna cut the subframe at the firewall. Some of the classes I want to run, you have to run a stock subframe firewall forward, so that's why I'm keeping it. Otherwise I just get rid of the whole thing. But I want to run some of the streetcar classes. You gotta have the stock front suspension. So that's what's behind that. I just don't want to cut all this out just yet because I got it mounted right here. It's gonna get cut up here. So later on I'll remount it and then cut it. But I know it's been a while since everybody's seen it. So it's got the new rockers. So the rockers are new. This patch panel's new. I gotta grind all the weld down. Don't mind that. Patch panel's new. All that's new. This piece is new. All the roof is new. So almost just this little sliver of quarter panel, and then 3/4 of it on the inside will be new or be old. The inner rocker is old. Parts of it you can see I got it cut. So not much left of the original car. Not much at all, but I'm trying to save as much as I can just because it's cool. I think it's cool. But you can see there ain't much going on. The frame jig, you guys ain't seen the frame jig. It's using, I built it at Scream Performance. Brian and Mike helped me out on that. It has leveling jacks to level it in 6 positions all around it, so you can get it perfectly level. And I think that's it. I got the dash coming, so the dash will be welded in there pretty soon. Front's all mounted right there with braces in the back. Had a tire blowout, so I got new tires that are even lower profile, so it'll have a lower ride height. But it's getting there. It's looking pretty stripped down, but as soon as these quarters get on there, it'll look like something's going on. I got a picture of it fitted up with the quarters, so I'll put that in right here. So that's what it looks like with the quarters. it's getting there. I'll grind these welds down, and then I can weld on the, I can fit this and then put the tail pan in, and once the tail pan's fit, I can weld in the quarters, and then it'll start being a car again. But I'm gonna get to it, and maybe if I have enough time, I'll make another update at the end of the weekend. So I got this 4-day weekend. Hopefully I can knock some stuff out, make another video what it looks like with the quarters on. That'd be pretty sweet, huh? All right, later on.